Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great time and learning lots at ABG's annual Spring Garden Conference. I'm excited to share some information with you about my business, Bree's Botanical Garden Tours. So my name is Bree Xavier, and I offer guided tours of our favorite place, the Alaska Botanical Garden. I offer tours year-round, but usually there's more to see between about April and September. I do this because I love ABG and I love spending as much time as I can out there, and by offering tours, I get to also be my own boss. A little information about the tours. So they follow the main half-mile paved loop trail. They usually take about an hour to an hour and a half, and they are at a very leisurely pace. Prices do vary depending on the season and the group size. The entry fee to the Alaska Botanical Garden is included in your tour price, and I also offer a discounted rate to ABG members. So how you can book a tour. So I'm on Airbnb under the Experiences section in Anchorage, and it's listed as Bree's Botanical Garden Tours. Also, I have a Facebook page at Bree's Botanical Garden Tours, and I'd really appreciate it if you could like that and maybe share some of my updates and some of the photos. That would be greatly appreciated. Also, I have a website, breezetours.com. You can book a tour there. Also on breezetours.com, I have some merchandise with this lovely Mechanopsis logo that I have. Some COVID-19 precautions that I will be following. Any and all state and local health mandates, as well as any additional ABG mandates. On the tour, we will be following social distancing, and I do keep the tour size to a maximum of about 8. Well, thank you very much for your time today. I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference, and I really look forward to seeing some of you on a tour this summer. Have a great day.